Step into a world where beauty meets durability. Our Poly Lighthouses are not just any lighthouse, they're a testament to innovation and craftsmanship. Join us on a visual journey to explore the exceptional features of these maintenance-free wonders designed to illuminate your outdoor spaces with style and efficiency. In this video, we will take a close in-depth look at one of our most popular selling lighthouses, and that is our maintenance-free Poly Lighthouses. We're going to go over every aspect and feature of these amazing ornaments, and we are starting right now. So first, what is poly? Poly is a man-made material constructed from recycled plastic products like milk jugs, water bottles, etc. This is then manufactured to look like real lumber, but with none of the maintenance. That's correct, you get the look of real wood without the upkeep. Not only do our Poly Lighthouses look amazing, but the choice of a man-made poly is also environmentally friendly, as we are keeping these plastics out of our landfills. Another added feature of our Poly Lighthouses is that you never have to worry about splinters, cracking, or most importantly, paint failure. That is because Poly Lighthouses are not painted. Again, let me repeat this, as this is very important. Poly Lighthouses are not painted. The color in poly is totally infused and embedded throughout the entire piece of poly material during the manufacturing process, resulting in vibrant, lasting colors. Thus, when you receive a Poly Lighthouse lawn ornament from the Lighthouse Man, you are getting the highest quality weather-resistant product to last you a lifetime of enjoyment. So now you know what poly is and the benefits of poly. Let's go over the 3 different styles of lighthouses featured by the Lighthouse Man. They are authentic, standard, and woodgrain poly. Our first and by far most popular style of poly lighthouses is our authentic models. These lighthouses are made to look like and replicate real lighthouses in the United States. Thus, we imitate the stripes or design patterns and colors of these lighthouses, so you are sure to get the look and feel of these famous models of old. We feature approximately 10 different authentic lighthouse models to choose from, and these models are available in 8 different sizes, starting from 2 foot and going all the way up to 17 feet in height. We also can make any of our authentic models in 20 different custom colors. So that means we can make any lighthouse you want in any color combination you choose. So really the choices are endless. Now please note, since these lighthouses are not painted, then please understand that we cannot make the Poly Lighthouses with fancy designs like barber pole stripes or diamond patterns, simply because again, these are not painted, as the color is infused into the actual material. Thus, unfortunately, the poly models are limited compared to our stucco or wooden lighthouses. Now let's go over each part of these magnificent handcrafted lighthouses so you can get a feel or a good idea of the quality and craftsmanship involved in making each poly lawn and garden lighthouse. Starting at the very bottom of our Poly Lighthouses, you will notice that all our lighthouses are mounted and secured to a 3/4 inch octagon base plate. Every base plate has pre-drilled holes so you can easily anchor down your lighthouse to any surface. You can also upgrade and add an optional base to any of our lighthouses. Again, this is an accessory that you can add to any of our poly lawn ornaments. I'll go over this feature a little later. Next, please look at the detail and craftsmanship involved in every cut or seam in the body or tower of our lighthouses. Every joint or seam is fastened with a biscuit joint, special adhesive, and stainless steel fasteners, ensuring a tight, maintenance-free seam. Please understand, not all manufacturers are the same. Most of our competitors do not use the same bonding or building procedures. Again, this is just another example of what sets the Lighthouse Man apart from all others. Continuing up the lighthouse, please check out our handcrafted tops featuring a decorative catwalk with sturdy post and rust-proof chain railing. We also offer a magnificent lantern room that comes with a regular electric light, or you can always upgrade to any of our optional lighting accessories like a revolving or solar beacon. Next, please point your attention to our detailed roof design and pattern. Trust me, the angles and the cuts involved in building these tops takes time, knowledge, and superior craftsmanship that only comes from building thousands of custom crafted lighthouses over the past 25+ years. Now let's get back to the 3 styles of poly lighthouses that we offer here at the Lighthouse Man. We just went over our authentic models, so our second style is our Standard Poly Lighthouses. The Standard Poly Lighthouse style simply means that the lighthouse has one main color and one accent color to accentuate the lighthouse. More or less, this is usually a simple classic design or look, but is perfect for the customer that is not looking for stripes or wanting to match any kind of authentic model. These customers are mainly interested in one particular color, and then want to highlight that color with a complementary accent color to really make the lighthouse pop. The third and final style poly lighthouse that we offer is called our Woodgrain Lighthouses. This material has a more prominent wood grain finish and is made to replicate the colors of some of the major wood products like mahogany, walnut, birch, and driftwood. So if you're trying to resemble any of these styles of wood, then the Poly Woodgrain Lighthouses would be the perfect fit or match without all of maintenance of wood. Now, if you know anything about the Lighthouse Man, we are all about customization and options. This is because we realize that not everyone likes the same models or styles. Thus, our customers love that we are different, and we provide more options than any other manufacturer, and that is a 100% guarantee. No one has more options than the Lighthouse Man. For example, you can add an optional base to your lighthouse anytime you would like. You can order your lighthouse with a base, or you can add one 6 months from now after you receive your lighthouse. All of our add-on accessories are designed so you can add them at any time. Another example of this is our lighthouse lighting options or accessories. Again, every lighthouse automatically comes standard with a regular electric light with a 40-watt bulb, but you can always upgrade and go with one of our many lighthouse lighting options. This includes everything from low-voltage lighting, to solar beacons, to revolving beacons. The Lighthouse Man is your one-stop shop for all your lighthouse lighting needs. So there you have it, my friends, everything you need to know about our poly lawn and garden lighthouses. Again, we make detailed product videos to help assist our customers so you get exactly what you're looking for. If you have any questions or need help, please call or email us today, as we are always here to help and walk you through the buying process. We truly love what we do, and we have a passion for helping our customers get the lighthouse of their dreams. If you found this video informative or helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the leading manufacturer of custom-crafted lawn lighthouses and lighthouse accessories. Thanks again, and keep that light shining. God bless.